I drew up a bit of a diagram, but forgive me if it's not completely wrong here. Now, a standard 120 volt sine wave goes positive to negative, I believe, if I remember right, about 60 times per second. When you run a 240 volt circuit, because you've got two separate phases, when one is in a positive phase, the other is in a negative. So you end up with all of this positive at the same time, which means it doesn't fluctuate, which means the motor's getting constant power, constant electricity. Whereas this one where it goes positive, negative, this one's positive, positive, positive. Also, when you combine these two 120 volt circuits, these 220 volt phases, you end up with your 240 volt circuit. So to my knowledge, that's the reason. To be honest, as a woodworker and a non-electrician, best I can tell you is just more power.